This is the dry version of our artwork. For the white parts, I will wet them and add a very light opera rose. And then I will proceed on the darkening the outlines more. When I'm happy with how it looks, I will dry my canvas. This is our final touch for the petals. We'll be working on the stamen and the leaves. I'll be using sap green for the stamen and sap green and Hookergreen light for the leaves. Lastly, I will dry my canvas. This is our finished Ranunculus. If you're bothered with the pencil marks, you can use a watercolor pencil. If you don't get this right during your first try again and keep practicing. Here are two of my practice Ranunculus. You can start embroidering your words spring. I'll be using my machine. See you in a bit. If you find this helpful and fun, please support me by subscribing to my channel. You can download all the patterns on our website and it's free for personal use. May you all have a lovely day and let's build a fun, kind, and loving community of crafters. Bye!